Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure your credit card with Chime easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open the Chime app on your mobile device. Log into your account using your credentials. Once you're logged in, navigate to the home page. Tap on the settings icon located at the bottom right corner. Scroll down until you find the security section. Select security to access your security settings. Here, you will see options to secure your account. To set up a secure PIN, tap on Secure a PIN. Follow the prompts to create a unique 4-digit PIN. Confirm your new PIN to finalize the process. Next, go back to the security settings. Look for the Card Controls option. Tap on Card Controls to explore additional features. Here, you can toggle features like transaction alerts. Enabling transaction alerts helps you monitor account activity. You should also see an option to turn on or off your card. To prevent unauthorized use, consider toggling off your card when not in use. If you suspect fraud, report it immediately through the app. For added security, consider setting up two-factor authentication. This requires a verification code in addition to your password. Follow the prompts to enable this feature. Regularly monitor your account for any suspicious transactions. Make sure your email address is up to date for notifications. Lastly, always log out after using the app. Your security is a priority, so take these steps seriously. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.